Yeah, so good evening everyone. Good evening. Let me know audio video is okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. I think this is the place where we stopped in the last class. In the last class we stopped here. If my guess is correct, this is the place where we stopped at last class. Right? Let me move further. Let me move further. So this is the mutable immutable list, which is a very important one. This is the mutable immutable list, which is a very important, right? So int is immutable, float is immutable, complex also immutable. So instead of remembering all, just remember who are mutable. So list is mutable, right? So next one, I think set also, if you right, just remember only mutable things. Set also mutable, list is mutable, set also mutable, dictionary also mutable, right? These three things are mutable. So remember this. They will be really useful. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of immutable? Immutable means same data means same memory. Immutable means same data means same memory. Be careful with this. Immutable means, right? Immutable in the sense, try to understand everyone. Immutable. Same data, same memory. We done so many problems also, you can see in the previous classes. This is a very important one, please remember. Now in the functions, can you go to the next problem? In the functions, can you go to the next problem? This is one more problem. Can you try this? In the last class, we done a few problems. Now it is a one more problem. Can you go ahead? So if you observe clearly, see this one, def function, see this one, def, here gap is there. Def here gap is there. See, until here gap is there. Right? So this is the function f. Def means definition. Function f definition is this. This is the main program. Now let's see. Enter a number a which is greater than 1. Enter a number a which is greater than 1. Right? Enter that. Right? Enter that. Let us assume I enter greater than 1. I enter 2. Okay. So input function normally will return the, I think, string only. So typecasting required. Finally, a value 2. Okay. Next one, print f of a comma n. Print f of a comma n. A comma n. What is the n? Let me check once. Yeah, I think I could have written properly. Sorry for this. Yeah, I could have written properly. Just I misunderstood. Right? By seeing this, I can easily say I misunderstood. But in the while typing, actually there is no problem. Actually, while typing, there is no problem, right? When you are seeing on the screen, right, it will be clear. So the only difficulty with the Python programming language is indentation. Indentation is the only issue, little bit. But when you are doing an editor, this problem may not come. When you are doing an editor, this problem will not come. When you are doing a normally, indentation problem normally will come, right? So what I mean to say is that remember everyone, see, def function below gap is there. Sorry for this. Huge gap is there, right? So what I mean to say is until here f function. Yeah, if anyone is confused because of me, I am repeating once again. So on the editor, there is no problem. On the editor, there is no problem. But when you are doing a normal way, there is some problem will come because few gaps are there. You may feel bad, right? But anyhow, let me clarify. I'm starting now. So, right? So careful everyone. If anyone having small confusion also, I am not done anything today. So this table I said. Today I am not done anything. This table as soon as I came, this is the table. So remember everyone, this table you have to remember who is mutable, who is not mutable. Immutable means same data, same memory. Right? When you say mutable, same data also different memory. That is the difference between mutable, immutable. That is the difference, right? But this table is very important. This table is very important. Now come here, everyone. Everyone come here. So in the function, it is the next problem. Let's observe here. Please be careful. So this is A lot of gap is there, see. Lot of gap is there. Right? So this is going to be F function. F function definition. This is the F function definition. Please careful. This is going to be main program. This is going to be main program. This is going to be main program. Because if I am the person who is written, I know very well. But in the editor, of course, there is no problem will be there. Editor, everything is clear. Here maybe, right? When you are doing normally, some problems will be there. So remember here, left side, no gap. See, left side, no gap is there. But here, left side, lot of gap is there. Right? This is the part of the F function. This is the main program. Start main program first line. Enter the K value. Assume that I am entering. Careful everyone, entering K value 64. Enter the K value 64. Input function return string. Do typecasting. So K value becomes 64. Okay, that is okay. Now what is the next one? N value 0. That is also okay. So this loop is going on. K greater than 1. K greater than 1. Right? Remember inside while loop. See, there is a gap. So inside whoever they are the while statements. They are part of the while statement. So this loop is going on, right? When at the time these two statements are executed. Let's check. Remember, n value initially 0. N value initially 0. This loop is going on. First you done K by 2. K is how much? 64. 64 by 2. 64 by 2. It is a 32. Right? N K is equal to K by 2. That is okay. N is equal to N plus 1. So N will become here at this place. N value became 0. At this place 1. Now this loop is going on. K greater than 1, yes, it became 16. N value becomes 2. Now K value become, I think, K by 2. 16 by 2, 8. It became 3. N value became 3. It's 4. It became 4. It is 2. It became 5. It is 1. Careful everyone, it is 1. 2. When it is 2, inside you will go, you will execute. Right? Whenever 64 initially 0. Whenever it became 32, it became 1. 16 it became 2. 8 it became 3. Right? Like that it is keep on going. It's keep on going. 8 it became 4. 2 it became, right? Whenever it is 2, it is 5. So you will go inside. Whenever it is 2, right? So here. So now see this one. By 2, it became 6. Right? Now, whenever it is 1, you will stop it. Whenever it is 1, it will stop it. Actually, to be frank, everyone listen 64. 64, 0. But whenever it becomes 32, in between it will become 1. In between it became 2. In between it became 3. In between it became 4. In between it became 5. Actually, check properly. In between it became 6. In between. Lastly, 1. 1 is greater than 1, condition fail, you will come out. So finally, at the end of this while loop, if I give n, K value 64, at the end of this while loop, 6 will come. You may say that, sir, why 6 came? So if you divide anything by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, right? So I think it will lead to log 64 base 2. Log 64 base 2. Right? If you do the 64 by 2, by 2, by 2, at the end of the story, right? So I think n value becomes 6. Okay, fine. That's okay. N is 6, okay, which is nothing but a log k. Next one, again enter the a value which is greater than 1. Let me enter 2. Any number you can enter, so I'm entering 2. So printf f of a comma n. I think a is 2, n is 6. 2 comma 6 will go. Then recursion is going on. Remember, for I in the range of 0 to n is how much? 6. So 0 to 5. This loop will repeat 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, and so on 5. Whenever it is 6, it will stop. So 0 to 5 in 6 times this loop will repeat. Every time s is equal to s into s. Every time s is equal to s into s. What is the s initially? A value 2. So first time 2 into 2 means 2 square. Second time 2 square into 2 square. First time 2 power 1 into 2 power 1. Second time 2 square into 2 square. But it will continue how many times? 6 times it will continue. Lastly, Lastly, if you observe, right? So second time this is, next time 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. Next time 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 8, right? 2 power 8. 2 power 8 into 2 power 8. Next time, I think it is a 2 power 16, right? 2 power 16 into 2 power 16. Remember, it will go 6 times. Next time, 2 power 32, na? 2 power 32 into 2 power 32. So if you observe clearly, it is a 1 time, it is a 2 time, it is a 3 times, it is a 4 time, it is a 5th time, it is the 6th time. It is the 6th time. Loop is repeating 6 times only. Next time it will fail. So finally return yes. It will finally return 2 power 64. It will return. What I mean to say is, if you see this one, if you give the k value 64, if you give the a value 2, it will find out a power k. It will find out a power k. The output of this program is a power k. A is 2, k is 64, so 2 power 64. I am not doing anything. So one time I am dividing by 2 by 2 by 2. Another time I am multiplying by 2 by 2 by 2. Same story. Multiplying. See this one. If you observe clearly, double. So double I am dividing, right? Double I am dividing, double I am multiplying. See. So in this loop, I am dividing by 2. In this loop, 2 into 2. Next to 2 square into 2 square. Next 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. Try to understand. The output of this program is going to be, right? Whatever you enter, a power k, it will return. So let's see. Enter a k. I return the k value as 8. I enter k value as 8. Enter a. I enter the a value 2. It will return 2 power 8. It will return 2 power 8. You run the program and you check. You run the program and you check. You will get the clarity. Right? Fine. So if you are preparing for, right? If you are preparing for PSUs, I think CSE GATE exam plus GATE. CSE GATE examination plus PSU. CSE GATE examination plus PSU. If you study all PSU exams, you can handle. Because GATE syllabus, PSU syllabus, same. I don't know GATE DA people. I don't know. PSUs will allow or not, I don't know. You have to check one time. Because of the, right, GATE DA is the new branch. Right? I think some PSUs may not allow. Please check one time before going to apply PSUs. Please verify. DA branch is allowed or not. Right? If it is allowed, so you can take the GATE DA plus PSUs also. GATE DA plus PSUs you take, then automatically you will be comfortable. Right? Fine. If you are serious about GATE exam, so let me say this one. If you are serious about GATE exam, right, there is a 70% offer going on. You can utilize. If you serious, then only there is a 70% offer going on. You can use the referral code EPT 595 ARJ. You can use this code EPT 595 ARJ. You will get the 70% discount. Right? 70% discount. If you are already EPT student, you may get 80% also. If you are already EPT student, EPT enrolled student, you will get the 80% discount. Right? Perfect. Right? These are our previous rankers. Right? So yeah, I think I already covered. So let's move to next one. Everyone take care. Let's move to next one. Yeah. Let's move to next one. Yeah, next topic is file operations. File operations. Everyone try to catch this. This is the next topic, file operations. Means on file, what are the operations you can do? You can see in this particular lecture. So files is the next one. It's a very, very important topic. So please take care. Files are the next topic. Right? Let's move file first problem. F is equal to open of test1.txt print hi, print f, while 1, v is equal to input, enter drink name, v is equal to this break, f dot write v, print f dot close. Yeah, what it is, let's see. Everyone listen, right? It is a file. It is the files, right? This is the new topic. Everyone comfortably can follow this. Everyone can follow comfortably, right? It is the files. It is the first problem. It's the files first problem. Try to concentrate, everyone. So there is a one file. See this one. This is the file. File name is this. This is the file name. This is the file name. Okay, this is the file name, right? This is the file. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the file. This is the file name. This is the file. Actual file contents are this. These are actual file contents. This is the file name. Now see what happened. Right? File name in the write mode. It is not read mode. It is a write mode. It is a write mode. Means writing purpose, you are opening a file. Opening a file, test1.txt in the write mode. Okay, you open. Some people are asking, sir, when you open, what exactly? Let them say whatever will come, that will store in the F. Now print hi. Now see this one, print hi. So I printed. Okay. Now see this one. I think print hi is over. Print F. Some people are saying, sir, after opening, you are storing whatever will come in the F. Sir, what F will print, sir? Print F. Can you see? I printed also. Something, I think, about that file information. Something, maybe some unique ID kind of thing. Unique ID kind of thing. Right? ID kind of thing. Something is open. Right? When you say open the file, in the file, at the first character, it is waiting at the first character. To be frank, file is open, it is waiting at the first character. First character of the file, it is opening. It's almost like ID of the first character, something like this. Now see what happened. So file is open, right? When you print F, it will almost print first character area. First character area, it is waiting at the first character. I cannot say first character, otherwise it could have printed the first character. It's not printing first character. When you say open file, it will return. It will something in the other programming languages. If I want to take something like a pointer, it will return something like that. But simplest way, easiest way of saying is when you open a file, it will return something. So that something is pointing to first place. Simply you are at first place. You in that file first character, whoever they, at that place you are. Right? So some file detail, it is directly saying that I am at first character. It is indirectly saying I am at first character. Now see what happened. So while one condition true. Now remember, inside while there is a lot of gap. So these all are part of the while. Remember, until here part of the while. So indentation concept is very, very important. But in the normal editor, you may not be able to identify clearly. In the Python editor, it is very easy. No need to bother. So this is the inside while. So these all are if while people. So what about if people, sir? So remember, if is only one person. See, if also see inside if only one person. So this is a part of the while loop, but not part of the if. Be careful. But these two people are outside while. These two are outside while. Please be careful. Let's start while one condition true. What is the answer? V is equal to input of enter drink name. It is asking enter drink name. Okay, I enter something. See, I enter this. Be careful, everyone. I enter this. Very, very interesting one. Please observe. I enter this. Right? I enter. So enter the drink name. I enter. Next one. As soon as you enter, it will go inside V. Then immediately check. Is V is empty? No. V is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? V is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to empty? No. So no need to break. So then what is the answer? F dot write. Write into inside the file. Inside the file you are writing. If the file is this one, right? You are at the first character. There you are writing first character. You are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? You are writing whatever you given. Right? I think condition. If V is equal to empty, no. So then F dot write. Write of V. V is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So writing is done. You are at here. You are at the after 6 next character. Now once again it's a while loop. Go back. Enter the drink name. I enter this. I enter this. Again, right? V is equal to empty. No. Then again F right. So it will goes to QWERT. QWERT. It will return QWERT. Next one. Again go back. Enter the drink name. Right? You enter ASDF. ASDF. It will also write. Next one. Right? Enter the drink name. Right? You will enter the ZXCV. That is also fine. Enter the drink name. So you given gap. Whenever you given the empty, so V is equal to empty, yes, you will come because of if condition true break. Break means outside while loop you have to come. You came out. When you came out, print F. See this one. When you came out, print F. So same, I think it is printed. Whatever F is there, it will print. Whatever F is there, it will print. Please check. Whatever F is there, it will print. Okay, printing is done. So afterwards, close. Now, what I mean to say is, initially my file is empty. See, text1.txt. Initially, it is not there. Initially, this is not there. At the end, file contains this. Enter a file name. I enter. Let us using empty file name. Remember, write mode I open. Afterwards, every time I will give some sentence. I will check that sentence is empty or not. If not empty, then write inside the file. If empty, stop it. Right? Fine. I hope you got it. So remember, F, right? Open a file means it will open. It is waiting at first character. Remember, you don't print first character also. It will print when you say print F. It will print some file details. Details of a file. It will print. Right? Lastly, I printed the printf. Same thing printed. For starting also, I printed F. Same thing will be printed. So some file information you will print. Right? Fine. Some people are asking, sir, how to write? Sir, writing okay. Sir, how to read, sir? I done the one more problem also. Can you see? Right? So remember, if you want to read, writing I done already. So if you want to read, you can simply say read. If you say read, it will read. So if you want to read only one line, read line you can use. Right? So if you want to read more lines, right? Read lines. So remember, read also will give all. Read line also will give all. But read lines will give, right? Line by line. Right? One line, one string. But in the case of the read function, total as one string. Read function will return total as one string. Read line is only one line he will read. Read lines will read, right? Line by line. So many strings. Read lines is a group of strings. But read is a one string. Let's see one by one. This method reads the entire content of the file as a single string. Read will read entire file as a single string. But read lines, this method reads all lines from the file and returns them as a list of strings. At the list of strings, please be careful. Read line is one line only. Read lines means all lines he will read, but in the form of multiple strings. But read will return, right, as a one string. I think you will get the clarity here. Let's see. As usual. Can you see this one? As usual. Everyone try to understand. As usual. You open the file in the read mode. Next one. Print actual file before appending. Print actual file before appending means I want to go to append. That is the reason I started this. Open the file. Next one, actual file before appending. So see this one. If you want to read the data, simply say f dot read. F is this. F dot read. Remember, read will read all total file. So print f dot read. It will print total file. See, before appending, this is the file what you have. Before appending, this is the file what you have. Now afterwards, close the file. Okay. I printed. I close the file also. Right, next one. So f is equal to open a text, right? Test1.txt, right? Append mode. Same file I open again in the append mode. Right? So go to the next line. I went to the next line. While one, see what I'm doing. Every time, whatever data I will enter, that will store in the V. V is equal to empty? No. Right? Then what is the answer? F dot write V. So you are writing. Where are you writing? Let me ask you, where are you writing? I want answer from all of you. Where are you writing? Please careful, where are you writing this? So you are write data to append. So some data I enter, append data. This is the data which I enter. Can you help me know where it will store? Where you are storing in the V. See this one. F dot, right, in the F only. In the F only. But remember, previous file, whatever you open, you closed also. Previous one, this one, no relation. Previous one, whatever you open, you close. Now once again, see this one. Test1.txt, append mode you open. You are enter some data and you are writing also. Okay, you return, that's okay. Actual file, see this one. Actual file after appending. After appending, please be careful. Actual file after appending. Right? So let me check. Let me check now. So first test one dot, right? You printed, you closed also. So that is the actual file what you have. So now once again while loop is started. So you open the file once again. Append mode you open. It is there in the starting of the file. So every time you enter the data, you will write. Write V like that you are entering and so on you are doing. Now see F dot close. F dot open, right? Open text1.txt. Read mode you are writing, right? Sorry, read mode. Actual file after appending, F dot read. Let's see if anything. First I printed, F open, input, F write. Let me check. Anything I am going wrong? Let me see. Some file is there, you printed also, closed also. Okay. When you open, again you will get starting. So you will go to next line. While loop is starting. Remember, as of now, you are in the file starting place. Enter the data, V is equal to this one, F write V. Continue. So you are keep on writing. Test one, I think file names different. Is file names are different? No. F close, okay. While one, V is equal to this, write V. Let me know if I am going anywhere wrong. Those people who are watching, please check one time. Am I going anywhere wrong? Somebody saying, sir, will teach DSA using Python. Of course. Sir, we'll teach DSA using Python in the same course. No, as of now, only Python. Right? So DSA course, it will be there in the EPT. So only Python here. Right? Let me know where am I done anything wrong in this. So one file is opened and you done the read mode and you printed also. Okay. Close. Next one, I think one, right? Same file you open. Print, right? Go to the next line. While one, input enter. So break, F write. So you are keep on writing. F dot close. After while loop is over, close. Open of text1 dot right txt read mode. Append mode. Fine. Yeah, I think it's perfect then. I think people got the answer already. It's very simple, very simple. See this one, very simple. You open in the append mode. Understand once. You open in the append mode. Nothing is wrong. You open in the append mode. You open the file in the append mode. When you open the file in the append mode, automatically it will go to last place. Right? Remember, see this one. When you open a file, see this one. When you open a file in the read mode or write mode, it will be there first place. If you open a file read mode or write mode, it will be there first place. If you open a file in the append mode, because of you are saying appending, so it will go automatically last place. When you say append mode, it will go to last place directly. Right? Next one, right. While one. Every time you read the data, keep on writing the data at the end. So you are keep on reading the data here. Reading and writing, right? So you are keep on entering the data will be stored. Appending is going on. Close. Then afterwards, open in the read mode, print it. That's it. So remember, if you open in the append mode, append mode, open the file in the append mode, automatically it will go to last place. So from there onwards, whatever data you are entering, it will be written. It will be written. So you are keep on writing. So this new data you are keep on writing. So lastly, if you print it, if you want, you can check. Lastly, if you print it, see this one. This is the new data which you enter. Appended. Because of you enter in the append mode, it will directly go to last place. From there onwards, whatever new data you are entering, it will attach there. Right? Fine. Check one time if I done anything wrong. If I done anything wrong, please let me know. Remember, it's a append mode. When you say append mode, it will automatically file is open in the append mode. Then what will happen? Automatically, right, you are there at the last place. From there onwards, you keep on write the whatever data you are giving, it will keep on writing. Right? Lastly, right, you can close and you can open again and you can print out. Some people are asking, sir, without closing, can't I print? If you print without closing, you may not print from starting. So please be careful. You may not print from starting. It is a very excellent problem. This is going to be excellent problem. If anyone having doubt, let me know. It is an excellent problem. If anyone having doubt, let me know. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. I also confused, right? When I started this, I also confused. Someone is saying that, sir, can you repeat it? So first to open the file in the read mode and printed also. I open the file in the read mode, I printed. This is the first one. I open the file and I printed. Afterwards, I closed the file also. Now what I done is, I open the same file in the append mode. When you open the same file in the append means what? Adding something. When you open a file in the append mode, automatically it will go to, right? You are there at the last place. Append mode, you open a file. Automatically will go to last place. You are there at the last place. Read mode or write mode, if you open, you will be first place. If you open read mode or write mode, you will be first place. If you open the file in the append mode, it will go to last place. So from there onwards, what happened is, right, I am giving the data, that data will be added, right, at the end. Wherever you are, from there onwards, the data, what you are entering, it is going. So new data, I enter this one. It will go to end of that file. You are keep on writing. Now, after writing is over, close the file because you are at the end. As of now, you are at the end. Close it. Then open again in the read mode. Then automatically, when you say read mode, right, I think you are at here. Then print it. Print means what? Print f dot read. So you will read the total file, you will print. That's it. Yeah, Mohit, let me know if you have doubt. It's a very tricky question. Append function, you should know what the append mode will do. A means append mode. When you open a file using append mode, automatically you will be at the last place. You are at the last place, then whatever data I will enter, I will keep on write also. Means you are appending. Lastly, close the file and open it again in the read mode, then you are at the first place. From the first place onwards, you can print it. It's a really nice problem. So just one small thing, append mode will make sure that you are at the last place. Read mode, you are at the first place. Write mode, you are at the first place. Append mode, you are at the last place. So for right, my suggestion is, please, you can execute also. I also executed. You also can execute. I executed, you also execute. Bro, I executed, you also execute. Hello, I executed, please, you also execute. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Bro, can we move to next? Yeah, see this file also. See this program also. You may get more clarity. See this program also. You may get more clarity. See this program also. You will get the more clarity. Let's see this. It's very interesting. After this problem, you will get the more clarity. See this one. Read mode. I open read mode. Open in the read mode. Yes. Next. Printf. So I printed. Afterwards, print high, right? Printf, okay. Next one, while one going on. Can you see this one? After one time printing is over, see, while one going on. While loop is going on. While loop is until here. You open the file in the read mode, you are at the first place. Now what you do is, this one, every time read a file. Right? Read, f dot read. Read a file. So I will be printed, okay. File will be read, okay. After reading, printed also, that is also okay. Afterwards, after printing, print high again, that is also okay. Right? So next one, after printing, v is equal to empty. One time reading is over, that is a v. Right? That is a v. So print v, that is okay. Next one, print high, that is also okay. Now because of you are already read, where are you? You are already read, where are you? Right? So, but remember, one time printing is over, I also there. One time printing is over, right? I also printed. Now, but v is equal to empty. As of now, not empty. Because you read already v contains, you are already printed also. One time reading is done. So v contain that much. So v is equal to empty? No. V is equal to empty? No. So break will not happen, right? So if it condition true, break will happen. Otherwise, condition. So because the break is fail, you will come here. Print v. So one more time printed. Now observe clearly. So this is the while loop. Go back. While one condition true. Print high. I also printed. Now see this one. F dot read. Second time you are reading. So when you read first time, total file is came. So you are at here. One time you read, total file is came. So here v is total file. V is equal to empty? No. But when you read second time, so I think empty. Second time empty. So while loop going again, f dot read. So I think empty will come. So that is the v. V is equal to empty. Yes, break. Come outside. So f close. This is the actual file. This actual file is printing twice. Two times printing. I think 3 times high. 3 times high will be printed. So why 3 times high will be printed? Let's check here. 1 here, 2 here. While loop started second time. So 1 time high, afterwards break. So only 3 times high will be printed. 2 times file will be printed. How? This also printed 1 time. This also printed 1 time. 2 times file will be printed. Okay. 3 times high will be printed. 2 times file. 2 times file, 3 times high. So high 1 time, high 2 time, high 3 time. Yeah, please check properly. I one time, I second time, I third time, like that. So this is the file management. So I am also confused one or two places. Not only you, everyone will confuse. All are humans. All are humans. Not only you, everyone. Everyone will confuse. So please take care. Files. Files starting from here. Files starting from here. Just remember, write mode you open. You are at first place of the file. Read mode you are open. You are at the first place of the file. Append mode, you are at the last place of the file. Just to try to understand. Just to try to understand, you will get the clarity. So what is the read will do? What read lines will do? Right? What read will do? What read line will do? What read lines will do? So please take care. What read will do? What read line will do? What read lines will do? So I think I clearly written. So please take care. So afterwards, 3 problems of file I said. Some more problems are there. In the next class, we'll see. In the next class, we'll see. So many problems are there. So many problems are there. Right? So if anyone is not joined, if you serious about GATE examination, if you not joined, so please join now. At least you join now. So 1 year course is there. 2 year course also there. Crash course also there. 6 months course. Rank improvement course. Practice course. For every subject, approximately 300 questions will be there. Approximately 300 questions will be there for every question. Video solution. It will be really useful. If you are serious aspirant, you can join the rank improvement. Full course also you can join. It's the advantage. Full course. Right? If you are studying the second year, I think I will advise you go for foundation. Right? If you are already dropper, you can go for a crash course. Right? If you are right, if you want to practice, you can go for a rank improvement course. If you have any doubt, you can take a mentorship course. Right? And test series, EPT test series. Last year, 59 questions came from EPT test series. From EPT test series, most of the questions came last year. From EPT test series, last year, most of the questions came. Test series is already started. Approximately 50 tests are already live. 50 tests are already live. Please utilize it. Please utilize it. 50 plus tests are already live. Right? So total 100 tests will be there, 70 topic wise and subject wise, 20 full length tests, 10 mock tests. So those people who are preparing for a placement, this is the best course for placement in the entire India itself. DSA plus system design course. Please use it. Yeah, right. In the next class, we will see remaining problems. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone.